Alright guys, so what's happening now is we are loading the beaver tail to take some of the equipment of one of our suppliers to the expo. We've got quite a few expos this time of the year in our area, so there's a lot of equipment that's being moved around all the time. And then I just hooked on the cherry picker. We are on our way to a new job. I'll show you guys in a second what we're doing. We've got a lot of trees that we need to trim, but massive trees. As I dan maak alles toe, so dan ga jy regtig kan werk. Ja, dan brengen we hem zo. Donovan, hier die ratchets. Hier, en dan hier, is dat goed? Dus oké, is nabij genoeg. Oké. Ga eens op de team kant doen, want die kan ook hier. Nee, die kant is fijn denk ik. Goed, nog hier, nog een top. Alright guys, let me show you what we're going to do now. Bye guys. Ik moet komen. Will this one reach the road or not? Let's do it. Let's switch around. Yes, fine. Right, fine. Where?
We were on a break! A few moments later. Meanwhile.
Will it miss the gate? Wat nou? Ja. Ja. Wat er net as nee. Sure, what a day so far, guys. It's been a crazy one. We've been super busy. I'm very happy with our progress. So currently we are just putting a few things away at our one site here, at the one building site, and then after that I am heading through to Franschhoek. That is where we're fetching this new project of Erich. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'm very excited. It's quite a drive, especially this time of the day, because we're going to get some traffic. And I'm going through with the truck, obviously, but I'm very excited to show you guys the project. It's going to be, it's so different. It's such a different project. It's not something we see in South Africa every single day, so that is what makes it so special. And then obviously the engine, everything, you guys will see. So guys, stick around for the reveal. For me, it's still a little while from now. It's still a good hour or two from now. For you guys, it is now.
Net voor reg wat jy wil op die kant op daai Okay guys, so this is the new project. Lexus LS 400. Is die sloopie te skynsie? Is die sloopie te skyns dat sy pens gaan haak hê?
Yes, hulle.
Nee, dink jy so nie?
Ons bly volklips op, maar hulle is ons laag.
En hy gaan op.
Hy gaan op.
Okay.
Ja.
Lyk dit of ek min of meer in die middel van die ry.
Ja, jy gaan wel kan stuur, so dis fyn. Gaan nou so.
Jy moet self aftrek.
Jy moet al die storie.
Ja.
Is hy?
Dan moet julle almal maar net weg staan vir die kabel. Ja.
So 'n bietjie clearance. So 'n bietjie clearance. Ja. Tension. So 'n bietjie. Alles wat moet jy laat sak dan.
En dan lig die lorry op.
Ja.
Ik heb op Facebook gezien dat blanke grote Indian daar was. Hier is er met die gearbox.
Walkenbrek is af, nee.
Ja,
Alles is af.
Okay, daar gaan hy by my, as jy gaan hy by my
Okay.
af. So hy sal hom by sy.
Gaat men niet zomaar dingen zo uitmaken.
Right.
Kom maar net reg. Hy deur toe maar en